day, everyone. So now I will be discussing about the remainder theorem, the factor theorem, and the synthetic division. So first, let's define what is remainder theorem. So remainder theorem, if a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus c, the remainder c is a constant and equal to f of x. So I have here the example. F of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x minus 12 divided by f of 4. F of 4, change x into 4 because our x is 4. Equal copy 2, change x into 4, copy the cube minus 5, change x to 4, then copy the square plus 6, change x into 4, copy the negative 12. So 2 times 64. 64 is, we will multiply 4 by itself into 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, we get 64. Negative 5, then 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 6 times 4, 24, then negative 12. So 2 times 64, we got 128. Then negative 5 times 16, we got negative 80. Plus 24 minus 12, we got positive 12. So 128 minus 80 is equal to 48. Plus copy the positive 12. 48 plus 12 is equal to 60. So f of 4 is equal to 60, or our remainder. So next we have factor theorem. F of x is a polynomial and f of c is equal to 0. The x minus c is a factor of f of x. So I have here example. X cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 divided by x minus 3. So we will find, or we will check if this factor x minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. We are using, or we will be using, a synthetic division. Our c is equal to 3, then f of 3 is equal to 0, then x minus 3 is a factor. So we will check this. So our x is 3, then 1 by this x cubed, then negative 4 by this, and 1 here, and positive 6. So we will bring down the 1 here, then 1 times 3 is equal to 3, then negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 times 3, we got negative 3. Then 1 plus negative 3, we got negative 2. Negative 2 times 3, we have negative 6. 6 plus negative 6, so the answer is 0. So our remainder is 0. If we divide x cubed to x, we got x squared. Then 1x squared, then minus 1x minus 2. If we multiply both sides by x minus 3, so x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 is equal to x minus 3 times x squared minus x minus 2. So notice that we just factor this cubic polynomial function. So that all we need to do is to completely factor this expression. Let's factor this quadratic expression or trinomial. So, can we factor that expression? Is it two numbers that multiply by negative 2 and add to negative 1? So, this will be negative 2 and 1. So, now it will gonna be x minus 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. This expression is completely factored. Since that expression is equal to 0, so this expression is equal to 0 as well. To calculate the value of x, we need to set each factor equal to 0. So the zeroing function now is 3, 2, and negative 1. So the given one here is x is equal to 3, and the other two is x is equal to 2, and x is equal to negative 1. So that's how you can solve the polynomial equations given the one of a 0 by using synthetic division. So the answer is 2 and negative 1. In addition, in 3. So let's proceed to the synthetic division. So synthetic division, it is a shortcut method for dividing a polynomial by a linear factor like x minus c, which is faster and requires less writing than long division. I have here example. F of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x minus 12 divided by f of 4. So our x is 4. Then we'll get the coefficient here in our polynomial. So the 2, negative 5, 6, and then negative 12. We will copy the 2 or bring them here. 2 times 4, we get 8. Negative 5 plus 8 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 times 4, we got 72. Negative 12 plus 72, we got 60. So our remainder is 60. I have here another example. I will use this remainder theorem and synthetic division to find the remainder. If the remainder is same, so f of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 9x plus 12 divided by f of 5. So f of 5 is equal to copy ang 3, change ang x into 5, copy ang cube minus 7, change ang x into 5, copy the squared, minus 9, change x into 5, then copy ang positive 12. So 3, we will multiply 5 by itself into 3. So 5 times 5, we get 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. Minus 7. 5 times 5, 25, minus 9 times 5, 45, plus 12. So 3 times 125, we get 375, minus 7 times 25, we get 175. Minus copy ang 45 plus 12. 375 minus 175 is equal to 200. Copy ang negative 45 and positive 12. 200 minus 45, we got 155. Copy ang positive 12. 155 plus 12 is 167. So our f of 5 is 167, or the remainder of this remainder theorem. So now I'll be using the synthetic division to prove or to check if same yung answer sa remainder in remainder theorem. So our x is 5. Then we will copy, or we will get the 3 here, then negative 7, then negative 9, the positive 12. So we will bring down the 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So negative 7 plus 15 is 8. 8 times 5, 40. Negative 9 plus 40 is 31. 31 times 5 is 155. Positive 12 plus 155 is 167. So the remainder, by using the synthetic division, is 167, same as the remainder in the remainder theorem. You can also use first the synthetic division and then the remainder theorem. So you will get the answer as same answer. And that's all. Thank you.